Stop wasting hundreds on mockup generators. What if I told you you could create professional sellable t-shirt mockups for free? Stick around, and by the end of this video, you will be turning any blank image into premium POD design. Hey, I'm Praveen Kalyan and this is Vyoko. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create t-shirt mockup for free. Let's start. I have already opened layers and objects, stroke, align and distribute menus. First of all, you have to take an image of blank t-shirt model. You will get it on any free image site like Freepik, Unsplash, Pixels. Now I drag this image from my folder to the canvas of Inkscape. What we'll do here, I have moved the image here. After that, a dialog box will appear in front of you. Set the image DPI from file and image rendering mode to none. Click OK. Now I drag my logo here. Similarly do that. Click OK. Next, click on the design and bring it on the top of the t-shirt. Hold Shift Ctrl, then reduce the size of logo. Now I have to set it. Click it again. Hold Shift Ctrl, then reduce the size. Okay. What I'm going to do, on the top right, I will name this layer logo, and the layer of the model will be named model. Sorry, it's slower. Click enter. Now I will click on the model layer and duplicate it by hitting Ctrl D. Or you can also do this by going to model layer and right click on it. I'll name this duplicate layer model D. Click enter. Then I will select duplicate model layer and hold Shift Alt and also select the logo layer. Next, I will go to the object, mask, then set mask. That's it. You will see the logo a little bit. Now you have to duplicate it by holding Ctrl D. One time, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. That's it. Your mockup of t-shirt is ready, and just like that, your professional t-shirt mockup is ready. It's that simple. No expensive software or monthly subscription required. Now I want to hear from you. If this video saved your money and added a new skill to your toolkit, do me a huge favor. Hit the like button, subscribe to Vyoko for more free powerful tutorials that help you grow your POD business. And click the bell icon so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, keep creating, and I'll see you in next one.